Okay, my name is Brady. I'm going to be showing you guys how to laser level. This is your laser level right here. I'm going to be taking the batteries out to make sure that they're in properly and to show you guys how to where the batteries are. As you can see the batteries, that's what it takes. And this is how you put it in. You just screw this here. Once the battery is in, you're ready to go. All you have to do is screw it onto your tripod over here. Once it's on a tripod, you should make sure too that it's on a relatively level ground, or you won't get a very accurate reading. Okay, now that your tripod and your laser level is relatively level on the ground, you can turn the button on, which is right here. It also turns it off and on, I guess you would say. Right here, this is your measuring stick, and this is your laser detector. Your laser detector latches on right there. Don't tighten it as soon as you put it on, because you're going to have to move it when you're trying to find your back sight. Okay, now this is where your benchmark is. In order to find your back sight, you need a benchmark. Your benchmark's usually relatively in the area where you won't be doing any work on, probably the most level area in your workplace or wherever you're building on your work site. Okay, as you can see here on your laser detector, there's a screen there. There will be an arrow that points down. That means you got to go down on your measuring stick. And if the arrow points up, that means you got to go up on your measuring stick. Here, I'll show you an example right now. See, it points up. It actually beeps slower too when it points up, telling you that it needs to go up if you can't see it. Now it's pointing down, it beeps a lot more faster. When the line on the laser detector is straight, it is level with the laser. Okay, now you want to find your IFS. To find your IFS, you want to find somewhere that's pretty level in your area that you're trying to figure out your level. I'm going to use this brick pad because it'd probably be the easiest thing to reference off of. Okay, first you might want to extend it if it's really low, so you can do that with your measuring stick. Then you'll want to pop this up, just like how you found your back sight. Now there's the solid line, and you tighten it up, and you're all done for finding your IFS. Now you've learned all those steps, you have learned how to laser level, and all you have to do is put away your laser level and turn the button off.
My name's Austin. Now that Brady showed you how to use a laser level in the video portion, I'm going to be teaching you how and when to use laser level and the formulas to it. Alright, so for our first segment, I'm going to teach you how to calculate your height of instrument. So you want to get your elevation, which is going to be 100, set at 100 standard. Your benchmark is always, the formula to find elevation is the benchmark plus back sight, which will equal your HOY. It is very important to record this information on paper. Second segment, guys, we'll teach you how to calculate elevation for the rest of your chart. Now that you have your first benchmark done, so all you want to do for your elevation is you want to take your height of instrument minus your IFS that you get, and that's what you're going to get for your elevation. So thanks for joining us for our presentation on how to use a laser level. I hope it was beneficial and that we taught you something today. Thanks.